Let's read the question. We have three simultaneous equations, each containing three unknowns, x, y, and z. Our job is to find all three values. Here are the three given equations in x, y, and z. And we need to find x, y, and z. So here is what we are working with. Three equations, and the goal is to find x, y, and z. Here is the strategy. With three unknowns, we peel them away one at a time. First, we eliminate z by combining pairs of equations. That leaves two equations in just x and y. We then eliminate x to find y. Finally, we substitute back to recover x and then z. Step 1. We want to eliminate z from equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 has negative 2z. Equation 2 has positive 4z. If we multiply equation 1 by 2, its z term becomes negative 4z, which cancels perfectly with positive 4z in equation 2. Here are equations 1 and 2. Multiply every term of equation 1 by 2. Add this to equation 2. The z terms cancel. 4x minus 3x gives x, 6y plus y gives 7y, and negative 12 plus negative 7 is negative 19. Label this equation A. Step 2. Now we eliminate z using equations 1 and 3. Equation 3 already has negative 6z. Multiply equation 1 by 3 so its z term becomes negative 6z, the same coefficient, then subtract equation 3 to cancel them. Equations 1 and 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Subtract equation 3. The z terms cancel. 6x minus negative 4x gives 10x. 9y minus negative 5y gives 14y, and negative 18 minus 4 is negative 22. Label this equation B. Step 3. We have two equations, A and B, in just x and y. Rearrange A to express x in terms of y, then substitute into B. Starting from equation A. Rearrange to get x on its own. Equation B is 10x plus 14y equals negative 22. Replace x with our expression. Expand. 10 times negative 19 is negative 190, and 10 times negative 7y is negative 70y. Collect the y terms. Negative 70 plus 14 is negative 56. Move negative 190 to the right side. Negative 22 plus 190 is 168. Divide both sides by negative 56. Y equals negative 3. Step 4. Put y equals negative 3 into equation A. Substitute y equals negative 3 into equation A. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Add 21 to both sides. X equals 2. Step 5. Now put x equals 2 and y equals negative 3 into equation 1 to find z. Substitute into equation 1. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Add 5 to both sides. Divide by -2, z equals 1/2. Final answer. X equals 2, y equals -3, and z equals 1/2.